Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the urgent and the quick pump of the XRP Ripple coin. When will the price increase? When will XRP take a pump? Let me show you in this video, but before starting this video I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Guys, the currently live and latest price of the XRP in the market is 0.804685 USD dot. That is the currently live and latest price of the XRP. And on the other hand, if you look the changes open the XRP Ripple coin, so everything is on the front of your eyes. And you also know about the XRP Ripple coin that XRP is a profitable coin, and you can see here, my friends, the market cap is also very highly. Same like that, the market rank is also high. So guys, it is a profitable coin in the market, and now in the latest situation you can see the last 1 week changes of the XRP is positive. So that's mean that from the 1st August the XRP start pumps, and still they are in the pumping mode. So my friends, I'm 100% sure about XRP that XRP will only and only give you profit, not loss in the future. Just look here from the price chart, you can see, and gradually the price take a pump, my friend. Still they are in the pumping mood. At this time this price fast down for some time, but let me zoom in this the latest situation. You can see here, my friends, now they are again start pumping, possibility that will be the quick pump after XRP Ripple coin. So guys, what you think about XRP future, just tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.